SúilSiar has been in use in schools since August 2025. By the number of schools and students who registered with us, SúilSiar is already the biggest platform that serves Irish medium schools inside and outside of the Gaeltacht. We provide a high-quality Irish language platform through partnership with Exam Revision. Students can gain access to Irish and English language resources due to this partnership. Our unique value is in the creators who build and supply our excellent wide-ranging resources. Our creators are all teachers in Irish medium schools who give explanations for difficult topics in accurate but direct Irish in language that students understand, including terminology that is seen in exam papers, as well as the technical language required for each subject. A teacher in the school will give login details to each student, or if the school has set it up, login with Microsoft or Google will be available. Once logged in, you should add your school email address to your account, which can then be used as the username. Your account will be empty initially, but you can choose the subjects you do by pressing on the yellow rectangle at the top right. If the subjects you do in school change, you only need to return to the yellow rectangle and change the subjects there. Remember that SúilSiar is an additional supportive resource. It should be used to support your work, to add to the work of the classroom, or as a source of additional info supplementary to the info given to you by the best resource possible, the teacher. Every subject on the platform is laid out in the same style to ensure consistency. This makes it easier for any student, teacher, or parent to find what they need on the platform. So, if you can navigate one subject to find the various resources available, you'll be able to navigate all subjects. You will find videos, presentations, notes, quizzes, past exam papers, and marking schemes by topic, as well as full past exam papers and marking schemes for each subject. When you're working on SúilSiar, you'll rarely be looking at a resource without doing something extra. While playing a video, you should have a pen and paper in front of you and be making notes, writing additional information you see in the videos. In maths, for example, you should regularly pause the videos when a question appears. Make an effort at the question yourself before returning to the video to check in with the teacher's advice and to see the solutions. Or in geography, you might stop a video to draw a diagram before returning to the video to hear the teacher add extra information around it. Our presentations are all designed to a template that'll give every student the best chance to read and understand them, and so that the teachers can use them for teaching rather than just for lecturing. Whatever the subject, info and presentations appears bit by bit on the slides. The same style of text, key terms for the subjects will be coloured and in bold, and you will notice more. Presentations will be useful for revision, sometimes, useful in class, often, and students and teachers will use them in different ways. Move through presentations to seek new information, to help you answer a question or to write an article. But remember, you'll always need that pen and paper. Don't be legging it through a presentation reading without writing notes for yourself from time to time. Learning happens when we're seeking information we do not have and zeroing in on it to gain an understanding of it. We're very proud of the teachers who are creating materials on our behalf. They're in Gaeltacht schools and in Irish medium schools around the country, and they have an in-depth understanding of the subject requirements, as well as how to explain difficult topics to students, and how to prep students for their exams. Except for maths, the first page on all sets of notes will have the same style. you'll see a learning checklist with key terms in coloured, bold text. After that page, you will see notes provided in the best way according to the expert, the teacher who created the notes. For example, Pole often adds essays to the LeavingCert Geography notes, as this is a requirement for LeavingCert Geography exams. But for junior cycle geography, you'll see Oron, who's added images of the notes embedded. He sometimes adds articles as well as questions at the end of each topic. Our teachers are our subject experts, and they have ownership over how to design notes for their own subject. If you are in first or second year, quizzes are a great quick review on topics in prep for exams. You should have it as a goal that you get at least 85% on all quizzes in the topics coming up on your exams. If you can manage that, I'm fully sure that your results in exams will improve. That said, more work is, of course, required in exam prep for all subjects. In any year, quizzes can be used for quick revision or for exam prep. After completing a quiz, go through the results and make note of the answers you got wrong. This is study. Find the answers you got wrong, find the correct answer, and learn them. In maths, we're adding solutions to all quizzes. Maths quizzes have 6 questions. Try them out step by step while showing your work in writing, and have a look at the solutions to identify any mistakes you may have made. When you're in a topic, you'll see past questions related to that topic. Listening comprehensions questions in French, for example. Questions related to communications IT in LeavingCert Technology. You'll see questions along with marking schemes. For maths, you'll see an extra column with a video solution. Open the video on a question, stop it, and play the video again after you've finished, to use the teacher's advice as a trusted source of information. You'll also find full past exam papers in both Irish and in English, or you could use our exam creator to practice exam questions on specific topics. That was a quick tour around the SúilSiar platform. It's a nice starting point for you, but you'll discover deeper functionality as you use the platform. By the end of 2026, we'll have over 10 subjects with videos, presentations, notes and quizzes added, all designed for the use of students, teachers and parents in Irish medium schools. All subjects have full past exam papers and marking schemes added. The Irish medium education sector has gone too long without a comprehensive source of digital support materials for teaching and learning available in one place. Our goal, along with various partners, is to close this digital gap. Don't be afraid to give us feedback on what you see to help us modify, add to, and generally improve our offering.